Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am back out here at the hangar and going to be doing some work again over the next 5 or 6 days or so. Well, okay, we are going to shift gears again. I know if you're watching this video or videos, I haven't figured out how I'm going to cut it all together yet, but it's been really sporadic. You know, we're jumping from thing to thing to thing to thing as I either run out of materials or want to start a project that I can finish. I apologize for that, but that's just kind of the nature of this this kind of portion of the build, right? We got the framing done, and it's just lots and lots of things to do before you're ready for sheetrock. I'm just kind of jumping around to either projects that I think I can finish or stuff that I have the materials for, because I don't want to start something like running my next circuit for the master bedroom and not have it done by the time I have to leave tomorrow, and then come back in 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and try to remember where I left off. So I'm going to put electrical on hold for now, and what I am going to do is I am going to jump on shower niche, however you want to say it, shower cubbies. How about that? So let's go take a look at what we're going to do for those. So I'm going to be building 3 kind of shower cubbies, all of them identical. One to go here in the guest bathroom. We will make a shower cubby. It's either going to go between these 2 studs or between these 2 studs. I'm going to have to step back and think about which one I want to put it in. And then we're going to make 2 more for the walk-in shower in the master bedroom. So what the plan is once I get my shower pan in and I get my shower pan kind of installed, or at least laid out to know exactly where to frame this wall, I'm gonna tee water coming off of this sink, and we're gonna put a shower head on this wall and a shower head on this wall. And so we're gonna have 2 kind of shower cubbies. I'm going to put one here in between these studs and one here in between these studs. And the way I'm going to make them is I'm going to make them out of 2x6s on top and bottom, so that it'll stick out deeper into this wall. So the shower cubby will come out, you know, to about here. So they'll be a little bit deeper for my shower cubby. So I'll have a 2x6 that comes out here, one on the top, wherever the top is gonna be, and then we'll have, you know, back, something to hang concrete backer board to. So I'm gonna knock out 3 of them. They should all be exactly the same. Should be, you know, 14.5 inches wide to fit in between 2 studs on 16-inch centers. I haven't figured out how tall I'm gonna make them yet, but I'll do some figuring, and we'll try and get those installed. So this is what I have come up with. I have my my kind of 14.5 inch width set here. I got these lengths of wood are 20 inches. So you take away 3 inches, that gets you to about 17, you know, inside to inside, and then you lose another inch or so with concrete backer board and tile, inch and a half. So we're looking at a, you know, 15 to 16 inch tall by, you know, about 13 inch wide shower cubby once it's all said and done. Now it's kind of hard to see because I've covered it up with this side 2x4, but I actually cut this back edge on a table saw with a 5-degree angle to give this some slope, so that when I mount this into the shower, this bottom face will slope towards the shower so that any water won't pool on top of it and it'll run off into the shower. I've spaced this out 3.5 for the width of a 2x4, so this whole thing should just slide in and be good. Let's go see if we can make it work. Well, it turned out pretty good, I think. You can see here, this bottom place has a nice kind of slope running back towards the inside of the shower. It goes in, that extra, 2 inches deeper than it would have been if I'd made it out of just a plain 2x4. I got lots of stuff to screw backer board to. Now that I'm looking at it, I may want to go in and add something like that to screw backer board into on the bottom. But there it is, kind of protruding out from the back of the wall. I think it turned out pretty nice. So I just got to repeat that process 2 more times. And here they are. They turned out as good as the first one, if not a little bit better. You can see the only difference is I added these kind of top and bottom things for screwing backer board to. I don't think they were really necessary, so I'm not gonna take the first one down in the guest bathroom just to add them. But on these ones, while I had them out of the wall, I went ahead and put them in. But yeah, they turned out good. They got the same thing. They got the 5-degree pitch down on the bottom, and they're the same size, so all 3 of them are identical. And they'll be, one for one side of the shower, one for the other side of the shower. Hopefully should be plenty of storage space. Well, all right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. It has been a crazy, hectic last 4 or 5 days, but I have to take off and go to work today. So we did accomplish quite a lot while I was out here, but that's going to do it. So I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one.